King Innovations standard hand tools offer everyday value for do-it-yourself customers and professionals alike. Each tool is engineered to last with high-carbon heat-treated steel and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. And hand fatigue? You won't have any problem with King quality tools. The standard wire stripper features an air pocket and non-slip grip for comfort and ease of use. Visit the tools page on our website to check out the entire line of quality hand tools, cutters, and saws.